Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Too damn thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey in today's video. We have different types of crochet design. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. In this video we show you the some crochet cats door stopper designs collection. Beautiful and different color combination crochet cats door stopper designs. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet door stopper designs collection. These all collection are very useful. You can see the beauty of these crochet door stopper design ideas. I hope you will enjoy the video. Beautiful and different color combination crochet door stopper designs collection. New ideas crochet cats door stopper designs collection. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is new adventure for you. Thanks for watching.